This video tutorial will help booth level officer to understand the enumeration form status tracking during SIR, Special Intensive Revision, Phase 2. यह वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल बूथ लेवल अधिकारी को विशेष गहन पुनरीक्षण एस.आई.आर चरण 2 के दौरान न्यूमरेशन फॉर्म की स्थिति ट्रैकिंग को समझने में सहायता करेगा।
BLO application 8.68 version is available in the App Store. After downloading and logging into the application, BLO will navigate into SIR, Special Intensive Revision module. When BLO click on the SIR, a new screen will open where BLO will be able to view the tab EF Distribution Tracker. When BLO click on the EF Distribution Tracker, a new screen will open where the list of all the electors which fall under the BLO part will be visible to the BLO. Now here the BLO can mark the electors are distributed or collected and also view the list of the electors which has already been marked as distributed or not collected. Now BLO can filter out the list of the electors by selecting the Select Type drop-down, EF not collected, EF not distributed, EF collected and EF distributed. Here the count of all the EF is also visible besides the all categories. Let's suppose BLO select the EF not distributed, then all the electors for which EF has not been distributed yet will be visible to the BLO. BLO can take the further action accordingly, either mark them as EF distributed or EF collected. Now let's suppose BLO wants to view the electors for which EF has been distributed. So BLO will click on the last option EF distributed. Then the list of all the electors for which EF has been distributed will be visible to BLO. BLO can further take any action on the elector and mark them as EF collected. Now BLO can also view the color code information by clicking on the link. Click here to view color code info and pending details. When BLO click on this link, a pop-up screen will open where BLO will be able to view the EF distribution tracker status. Here the BLO will be able to view the total count of the EF along with the category wise count for the EF not collected, EF not distributed, EF collected and EF distributed. So the category wise count is also visible besides. Now the color code combination for EF not collected will be orange, EF not distributed red, EF collected green and EF distributed blue. So based on these color code combinations, the electors list will be visible to the BLO. This will make easier to the BLO to identify the records which has been marked accordingly. Now BLO can close this pop-up screen by clicking on the close button and the previous screen will be visible to the BLO where all the list of the electors are visible. Now BLO can also filter out the result by clicking on the scan QR code also or by typing from in under the search text box either part serial number, elector name or epic number. So by both the ways also BLO can search the electors. Let's suppose BLO click on the search box and type the name of the elector. So based on that the list of the electors will be visible and BLO can take the further action on it. Now BLO can also search by part serial number or epic number also. Similarly, BLO can also scan the QR code and once BLO scan the QR code, the epic will be searched under the search text box and based on that epic number, the result will be visible to the BLO. So by this BLO can take the further action on this result. Now here this result BLO can mark it as EF distributed or EF collected. So either BLO can mark it as EF distributed and then collected or directly mark this elector as EF collected. Now to mark this elector as EF distributed, BLO will click on this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear that are you sure you want to mark this as distributed. And if BLO click on the cancel, then this elector will not be marked as EF distributed and BLO will be navigated to the previous screen. This pop-up will disappear. And if BLO wants to proceed to mark it as EF distributed, then BLO will click on the yes button. When BLO click on this yes button, this particular elector will be marked as EF distributed. A successful message will appear and the color code combination will be changed to blue. Now the BLO can mark this elector as EF collected. Now BLO will click on this button EF collected. Again a confirmation message will be shown to the BLO that are you sure to mark it as collected. If cancel, it will not be marked, and if BLO wants to proceed, then BLO will click on the yes button. When BLO click on the yes, this record will marked as collected and successful message will appear and the color code combination changed into green. That means for this elector, it has been marked as distributed and collected both. Now BLO can mark the particular elector as EF collected directly by clicking on the EF collected button. So let's suppose for the particular record, BLO wants to mark it as EF collected. So BLO will click on the button EF collected. Again a confirmation message will come. Are you sure to mark it as collected? And if BLO wants to proceed, BLO will click on yes, and that record will be successfully marked as collected and color code combination changed into green. So this is all about EF distribution tracker.